Start with the warm-up program. Please remove the attachment currently mounted on the machine by carefully loosening all 4 bolts using a 5mm Allen key. Please take your mouse, drag the cursor all the way up to the top and then click on the raspberry icon. From there, navigate your way over to the Accessories menu and then select the File Manager option. Once that is open, click on the desktop icon and carefully locate the folder labeled Warm-Up Program. Finally, open the text file named Readme Uzun Readme and make sure to read through all the warnings provided there with great care. After that is done, you are free to go ahead and close the file. Please click the Home button and wait for the machine to finish the entire homing process for you now. At this particular moment, I would like you to go ahead and initiate the necessary procedure to load the specific data file into the active system memory so that we can begin our work. You will find the file conveniently located right there on the main desktop interface of your computer system. Follow the warm-up program path to open the folder. Please click on the warmup.nc file and then proceed to open the program by selecting the Open button located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, click on the Run button and simply wait for the program to finish running. The entire program is scheduled to run for a duration of approximately 4.5 minutes at various RPM and feed rates. Once the program has finished running, you can close it by clicking on the Close button. These are the possible alarm scenarios. If you initiate the program before you have finished homing the machine, it will eventually collide with the access limit switches at some point during the operation cycle. Whenever you encounter a situation of this particular nature, your machine will immediately enter alarm mode and the software will halt automatically. To restart the operation, you must close the program using the pause, stop, and close buttons on the screen.
Observe that it is in an alarm state. To press the reset and unlock buttons in sequence, move it at least 5 mm in the opposite direction of the axis that triggered the alarm and click the Home button again. Wait for the machine to complete the homing process.
Once the machine homing sequence has been fully completed, you are able to execute the warmup.nc file once more by navigating through the Load File menu, selecting Desktop, and then choosing the warmup program files. If you happen to open the door while the program is running, the machine will trigger a loud door alarm. To continue, please press both the pause and resume buttons. You will notice that the program resumes exactly from the point where it previously left off.